Hi dears, this is teacher Vidya. I am going to teach you all social topics in grade 5. Shall we start? Fine. My aim is to make you all give reasons for the changing structure of families. What difference do you see in the pictures? What is similar in them? Very good. These pictures show a large or joint family and a small or nuclear family. Today, we will find out about some changes in the structure of family. Shall we? How many of you live in a nuclear family? How many of you live in a joint family? How many of you know about your other family members? How many of you know your grandparents' name and where they live? Fine. Kindly please answer to all these questions at the end of the class. Which type of family is more common in India? Which type of family is more common in India today? Nuclear or joint family? Where would you find small families? In cities or villages? What are the sizes of families changing? What type of family would you like to live? There are more nuclear families in cities and more joint families in villages. In a nuclear family, parents live with only with their children. In the last few years, many families have moved from towns and villages to cities for different reasons. Cities usually have less space and so houses are smaller. Hence, smaller families in cities tend to stay in small apartments. Usually, when the young people move to cities for a better life, their families may not want to move with them. This leads to more nuclear families in cities. These days, many men and women like to live on their own, take their own decisions, which may not be possible while living in a large family. When they live separately, the size of the family also becomes smaller. How is living in a nuclear family different from living in a joint family? How is it similar? In a nuclear family, tasks are divided between fewer members, while in a joint family, responsibilities are divided between more members. In both, we are able to live with our near ones. Have any one of you lived anywhere else? Why did your family move? How did you feel during your move to your new home? So, we will learn why people from villages migrate from one place to another place. Families migrate if there is famine or drought. Families migrate if there is a famine or drought, or if they are in debt and need a better job or repay the debt. Sometimes those who migrate from villages may have to migrate to other places if they lose their jobs in the new place or if they become homeless during a war. Should the locals of a particular place be responsible for helping people settle down in a new place? Yes, local people can help migrants find a house or a job. They can make them feel welcome and show them where important buildings like hospitals or markets are located. Why might families from cities migrate to another city? I will narrate a story and we will learn the different reasons why people migrate. There are two friends called Anand and Ramu. Anand moved from one city to another more out of choice, while Ramu was forced to move to another place. Anand moved out of choice to make his life better. Anand could get a better job, put his children in a good school, but Ramu could not. However, both had problems finding a suitable house to live in. Both had to travel long distance. They both had to learn a new language. Are there any other reasons for people from cities to move to a new place? Sometimes, when family members are transferred from their jobs, they may be forced to move to a new city. What are the problems that might migrates face? A war may force families across towns, cities, or villages to move to another place. Those who have a very different culture, like language, religious practice, dress, food, etc., may feel isolated in the new city. Okay, dears, what are some positive things that may happen when people migrate to a new place? People who migrate to another place bring in their along own culture, that is food, language, etc. And this adds more variety to the place. The buying and selling of things increase with more people and this brings in more money. Thank you so much, dears.